Hello guys, welcome to back and my name is Pratish Katam and welcome to back my video. And that's video actually today I have some few tips for you to speak in English. I brought some few tips because in that video, in that whole video we cannot capture a lot of tips because there are a lot of tips to speak in English, so that's why we cannot capture this all of things, all of tips in that one video. So that's why today I brought the three tips for you. Yeah, that's is, and I make sure definitely because I brought this, I made this, this tips was made by me, so that's why it will be so useful for you. And if you will follow that step, so you can speak English just like as me, very fluently, very you can say that very fastly. So let's start. First of all, to say something in English, I would like to say that you know now I know why that's you will ask me there's why I'm telling you tips if totally in English, because that's the one reason behind this. And I will tell about this end of this video, so that's why you will have to watch this video till end. So let's start. And before starting the video, I have to say this, that's my second part of my previous video. And in my previous video I told you something about my conversation skills, that what's the conversation skills and what do you think about the conversation skills. And but in that video I couldn't tell you this, how will you improve your conversation skills, what's the right way. First of all, what will you have to do for you can say that improve this. And beside this, in previous video I told you about this, how will you improve your fear, it means how will you remove your fear in front of people to speak English, how can you learn to speak in English. And also in my previous video I told you that how will you remove your hesitation to speak in English in front of people. So that's why nowadays I thought that I should make more many videos for you. Okay, so let's start. And today I brought the three tips for you. And that tips I told you about that before, it will be so useful for you. And I make sure if you will follow that tips, so you can speak English more better than me, you can speak in English more better than me. But I will not say that I have become perfect. No, I'm learning to speak in English. And my previous video I have also tell you about this, I want to speak English in British accents. And before say something, before tell you tips, I want to say that if you have to really, if you want to speak in English, if you have to speak in English very well, so first of all you will have to keep the remind, you will have to keep your you can say that's the rules and pronunciations and all of things about your regarding your speaking English, what we need to speak in English, you will have to keep in your mind. Then after that you will speak English. And on my first video I told you about that English is not our mother tongue, and also English is not my mother tongue. And you can see me there's I can speak English very well because I worked hard, I kept practicing to speak English every time. And also now you can see me that I can speak English more perfectly. Now also I'm trying to speak in English every time, I'm keeping practicing every time, because that is if you have to speak English, so English need a practice, because that is not just like as a subject, that is a language. And if you have to learn about this, so you will have to keep practicing to speak in English every time. You will have to learn about the pronunciations. Okay, so before the video already I had to say this, so let's start. In my previous video I couldn't tell you there's how will you improve your conversation skills. I think I told you there's until you will not try to talk to someone in English, so you cannot improve your fear in front of people's. That's so important. And also by this you can improve your conversation skills. You will get the profit, you'll get the confidence by this. Yeah, really, that's a so useful tips. And I followed that tips, so that's why now I can speak English very well. And beside this, I have to say this, you know when you will speak someone to when you will speak somewhere, so people will laugh at you, people will joke. And no, you don't have to say that people are laughing at you. No, you will try to talk to someone, and you will try to talk to someone that people can speak English more better than you. That's so important for you. And you no need to hesitation in front of people to speak in English. You no need to fear, because if you have to learn something, if you have to do something, so no, that you don't be shy. Okay. And that's the only one reason, that's the only one way, that's by this way and by the steps you can improve your conversation skills to speak in English. And my second tips is this: how will you improve your what do you mean about society. I know why, but that's mostly of people's, mostly of students. In fact, all of people's will ask me this: what do you want to say about society? And what I want to say about society, okay, just a minute please. I'm telling you. Actually, by this word, I want to tell you this. I actually am getting that that is not so good quality of my video, because it is so night, and in the morning I couldn't make this video because well, there's in my home there's a lot of childrens, and due to the childrens I couldn't make any video, and also I couldn't upload any video on the YouTube, because on the evening till now they were making a noise, and they were shouting at me, and also they was teasing me. So that's why now I got chance, I got time. In the morning till now I had no time, so that's why I couldn't make any video. So I thought that now, okay, you will manage this. Only you no need to see me. Only you should only you should listen to me. Only you should listen my pronunciation. Only you should listen to me. That's how I pronounce that word. And what I wanna tell you, you no need to see me. There's how I look. Okay, so, and actually I wanna say this, but society was mostly of people. Okay, I will tell you about this with base form. Okay, so first of all, you think that if you will go to any that's the society. Okay, we will take one example. If you will go to the foreign country, if you will go to the America, I know why the mostly of people, mostly of students wanna go to the America, because that's the most expensive. That's the most expensive country, from better than other countries. And besides this, a lot of students, a lot of people wanna go to another country besides this. But now I'm taking the example of only this America. If you will go to the America, so there you will get the foreign peoples, a few peoples of Indians, and who went to the America. Only you can get that peoples. Only you can get the Indian peoples for only few peoples, and mostly of peoples you will get their foreigner. And there are a lot of people, mostly of people speaking English. No, mostly all of people will speak in English, because that's his mother tongue. That's their mother tongue of the foreigners. And just like as your mother tongue is Hindi, just like as resemble in foreigners, that's the mother tongue English. And they can speak English very well, more better than you. So that's why actually I want to say this: if you will go to any that society, in that society mostly of peoples, mostly of students will speak in English. So you automatically you will try to speak in English. First of all, you will listen to them, and all after that you will try to say something in English. And that's so important. You will not do any work, you will not speak English until you don't need this. First of all, you take one target. You should set one target that's due to this. Why now I am learning English. I think I told you. I'm not remember this. I told you again. Okay, I will tell you again. Actually, I wanna go to the foreign. I wanna go to the America, and also beside this, I have one dream, because I wanna become an officer in Air Force. So that's why I'm learning to speak in English. And beside this, actually I wanna say by this society. If you will go to any society, so there you cannot speak in Hindi, because nobody people can understand your language. Nobody can understand the Hindi. So there you will have to speak in English. There is need for you. And I know why, that's when you will face this problem. So you will have to speak in English, and automatically you will speak English just like as foreigners. It means you need one society that's why that's I live in village whose name is Pachauri. Actually, I live in Aligarh, but now due to this lockdown, I live in this village for some time. And you can see that there's so night here. That's why I'm not able to make this video so long, and I will have to make this video for duration 10 minutes. So that's why now within I think half an hour, half a second, I'm about to stop this video. In this video, actually I want to tell this. please you should try to get the society. In that society, mostly of students will speak in English. And already, if you will know, if you will see that people, if you will see that students, automatically you will speak English very well. That is so mind for you, that is so easy for you, it will be so easy for you. So that's why I told you about it. And that third tips, I can't tell you now. Third tips, now you can see me, it is so night now, I can't tell you, but I'll make sure. And that is the second part of my previous video, so that's why now I brought this part for you. And I will tell my another tips in my next videos. And before I stop this video, I want to tell you this: in my next videos I will try to tell you about the rules. That rule is so important for you speaking English, and it will be so useful. And there's some rules and vocabularies I wanna I will try to add the vocabularies in my videos. And beside this, in my I think actually I don't remember this. I think I told you about the in my next videos. I will, who wanna speak English, who students wanna speak English in British accent. So for that peoples, for that students, I'll make the videos for British accents. That's how we speak English in British accents. So for now it is so enough, and I'm about to stop this video. Okay, I will meet you in next video. So until, bye bye.